Microgreens are a type of young vegetable that are harvested when the plant is only a few inches tall. Despite their small size, microgreens contain a concentrated amount of nutrients and are often touted as a superfood. But what exactly are microgreens and why are they so nutritious? Microgreens are essentially young vegetable plants that have just started to sprout. They are usually harvested at the cotyledon or first true leaf stage, which is usually around 7–14 days after germination. Typical microgreens include arugula, broccoli, kale, and radish, but almost any vegetable can be grown as a microgreen. Despite their small stature, microgreens are packed with nutrients. In fact, some studies have found that microgreens can contain up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature counterparts. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, which are compounds found in plants that are known to have health benefits.